Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add our PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard into the Google Pay app as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard, basically what it is, it's a debit card that's attached directly to your PayPal account. So if you have money in your PayPal account, instead of withdrawing it into your other bank account and then using that debit card, you can use this debit card to directly spend it off of your PayPal account, which is really convenient. If you don't have one of these already, be sure to go back and watch my other video on how to order a PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard. But can you add it into your GPay account? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and click to open my Google Pay app. It's this white one right here with a colorful G. It's called Google Pay. I'm going to open it now. All right, so I went ahead and opened up the Google Pay app, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, you're going to see various notifications that Google's trying to send you. So for example, this one says Google Pay money transfers are always free. This one right here says that you get your money faster with Google Pay if you use a debit card. But if you want to add your PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard into Google Pay, what you want to do is go ahead and click this button right here at the bottom. It's on the menu line right here. There's three options: home, payment methods, and passes. You want to click payment methods. It has this little credit card icon above it. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this screen pops up, and this is where you can see all the different payment methods that you have associated with your Google Pay account. So for example, I have a MasterCard right here already listed inside my GPay account. But if you want to add your PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard into Google Pay, you want to click this button down here. It's this blue one. It's called Add Payment Method with a plus sign on it. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next this screen pops up. It's called Add a Payment Method. So they're asking me to enter in the 16-digit PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard number here. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information in off screen now. All right, I went ahead and entered in the 16-digit PayPal Cash Debit card. Next, it was asking me for the expiration date, the security code, and then also wanted me to verify the billing address that I have associated with my PayPal Cash Debit card, which I did. As long as everything looks good, go ahead and scroll down until you see this blue button called Save. It's right here in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, and just a few moments later, this screen popped back up, which shows the different payment methods associated with my Google Pay. And it looks like, yes, you can add your PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard into Google Pay as a payment method. If you're not able to add your PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard into the Google Pay for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know why you think that might be. Also, another side note, I want to let you know that this is not to be confused with the PayPal prepaid card. This is the PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard that's associated directly with your PayPal account. The prepaid card is something completely separate. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.